This video is designed to provide a basic introduction to the controls and functions of the penetration report in your digital PIMA. In it, you will learn how to interpret the penetration distribution in the report and how to visualize existing, predicted, and the difference in penetration on the penetration map. The penetration report allows you to understand your WISE membership market performance. It does this by comparing your actual penetration rate with average, low, and high performing branches in demographically similar communities. It also allows you to visualize the regions of your PIMA in which you are under and overperforming with respect to predicted penetration. Penetration is defined as the number of member households in the 80% PIMA divided by the total number of community households in the 80% PIMA. We'll start to type Southwest in the branch control to select the Southwest Family Branch. This is a different way to navigate to a branch. For this report, we will begin by looking at the table at the bottom of the report page. The first column, Actual, displays the existing penetration rate for the Southwest Y in its 80% PIMA. To see how we arrive at the actual penetration rate, let's go for a moment to the Shape Statistics table in our Community Comparison Report. We know that the 80% PIMA for Southwest covers 62,471 households, of which 1,490 are members. 1,490 divided by 62,471 equals an overall penetration rate of 2.4%. Now let's go back to the penetration report. The actual penetration rate for Southwest is 2.4%. The second column of the table, Predicted, displays Sears' predicted penetration rate of 2.6%. 2.4% is very close to 2.6%, which means the penetration performance of Southwest is very close to the national average for WISE and communities with similar demographic characteristics. The 25th percentile for WISE and communities like Southwest is 1.2%. This means that in communities like Southwest, 25% of branches have penetration rates below 1.2%. The 75th percentile is 4%. In like communities, 75% of branches have penetration rates below 4%. Next, we'll see how to visualize the actual, predicted, and difference on the map. First, we'll turn off the branch label. Using the Penetrations theme control, we'll select Actual Penetration Rate. The actual penetration rate for each census block group inside your 80% PIMA is displayed as a shade between light yellow and dark green. The scale indicates that the lowest penetrated block groups have a penetration of 0 to 0.9%, while the highest have rates of 4.8 to 7.7%. We'll clear that and click the Predicted button. The scale shows predicted rates of between 0 and 5.3%. Now we'll click the Difference button and maximize the opacity of the difference theme. The scale now ranges from red for 1.3 to 2.4% lower than predicted, to dark green for 1.5 to 4.3% higher than predicted. This concludes the demonstration of the penetrations report in your digital PIMA. We would like to thank the YMCA of Greater Louisville for allowing us to use their report to illustrate this video.